particular kind of wind in Africa. It changes everything in its path. It has drops of tears streaking down its face. It shapeshifts like an apparition in a storm, confusing, disappearing, causing bewilderment until it does materialize. Tear-streaked hunters create tension across the plains. Hunters that strike apocalyptic figures with a certain look, a poise, a certain way. It is the way of the cheetah. Five male cheetahs stride in. Their way is the way of the wind. Cheetahs are the shadow hunters. They'll always try to muffle any cries in soft but lethal mouths. While it's not the way of the cheetah to fight a fight you cannot win, just handing over a kill is always hard. Hyenas are 3 times their weight and quick to turn the delicate eland into a blood spot in time. Wherever these 5 highly efficient males go, their presence ripples through the savannah to everyone.